Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the Money Making Pals channel. Today we're diving into one of the hottest ways to make passive income online, selling digital products on Etsy. Whether you're an artist, a designer, a writer, or someone who just loves to create, Etsy is the perfect platform to turn your ideas into profit. Stay until the end of the video, as I always leave the best for last. Etsy is known for being a marketplace full of handmade and unique items, but what many people don't realize is that selling digital products can be just as profitable, if not more. Why? Because you create it once and sell it over and over again without having to worry about shipping or inventory. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about the top digital products to sell on Etsy in 2024 that can help you build a thriving online business. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any tips and tricks for growing your Etsy business and making passive income online. Let's jump right in. Whether you're starting out or looking to expand, Etsy is the perfect platform for creative entrepreneurs like you. And here's why. First, Etsy is all about community. It's a marketplace where people come specifically to find unique, handcrafted, or vintage items, just like the ones you make. That means your products are already in front of customers who value creativity and originality. Plus, Etsy's user-friendly platform makes it easy to set up your shop, list your products, and manage your orders. No tech expertise required. With Etsy, you have access to a global audience, allowing your products to reach customers far beyond your local area. And with powerful marketing tools, Etsy helps you grow your brand and drive more sales. Finally, Etsy's transparent fee structure ensures you know exactly what you're earning so you can focus on what you do best, creating. Okay, so first, let's talk about why digital products are a great option on Etsy. Digital products are essentially files that customers can download after purchase, like printable planners, ebooks, or graphic design templates. One of the biggest advantages of selling digital products is that there's no need for physical inventory or shipping. Once you create your product and upload it, Etsy handles the delivery through instant downloads. So no more running to the post office or dealing with inventory management. Another huge benefit is scalability. With physical products, you might be limited by how much stock you can create or store. But with digital products, you can sell the same file to an unlimited number of customers, creating a passive income stream. Plus, Etsy's built-in audience of millions of buyers means your digital products can be discovered by people from all over the world. And because Etsy is a marketplace where customers are already looking for unique and creative items, it's an ideal place to showcase your digital creations. All right, so now that you know why selling digital products on Etsy is such a good idea, let's get into the top digital product categories to sell in 2024. These are hot sellers that have proven demand and can help you build a sustainable business. Number 1, printable planners and journals. This category has been booming in recent years as more people are looking to stay organized and productive. You can create daily planners, fitness journals, budgeting worksheets, meal planners, and more. The key here is to create something unique that stands out, whether that's through beautiful designs, niche-specific content, or a combination of both. Another bestseller on Etsy is digital wall art. Customers love the convenience of being able to purchase a print, download it, and instantly hang it up on their homes. You can design everything from motivational quotes to abstract art or even vintage style prints. It's all about tapping into trending styles or creating art for specific niches like nurseries, offices, or seasonal decor. Next on the list is digital invitations and party printables. With more people planning events at home, the demand for easy-to-customize printable invitations has soared. From wedding invites to baby showers and birthday parties, this category offers tons of creative opportunities. And you can expand it with matching party decor like banners, cupcake toppers, and signs. SVG files and cut files for crafters are popular among the crafting community, especially with the rise of Cricut and other cutting machines. These files can be used to make vinyl decals, t-shirts, home decor, and more. If you're skilled in graphic design, this is a great niche to tap into because crafters are always looking for new designs to use in their projects. Number 5, digital templates for small businesses. Templates are a game changer for small business owners who need high quality graphics but don't have the time or skill to create them from scratch. Think social media templates, business card designs, ebook layouts, or even website templates. If you have a knack for design, this is a fantastic way to cater to the growing market of entrepreneurs and creators looking for professional, done-for-you solutions. Number 6 is educational printables and digital learning resources. Another fast-growing category is educational printables and digital learning resources. Parents, teachers, and homeschoolers are always on the lookout for fun and engaging materials. You can create worksheets, flashcards, lesson plans, and ebooks for different age groups and subjects. This niche is ideal if you're passionate about education and want to make a positive impact while learning. Number 7 is Lightroom presets and photo editing tools. Let's talk about Lightroom presets and other photo editing tools. As Instagram and social media continue to dominate, more and more people want to up their photo game. Lightroom presets are a quick and easy way for users to enhance their photos with just one click. If you're into photography and editing, creating and selling presets can be a lucrative side hustle. Now that you know which products to sell, let's talk about how you actually create and sell your digital products in Etsy. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, research your niche. Browse Etsy to see what's already selling well and look for gaps in the market. You don't want to copy what's out there, but you do want to understand what's trending and where you can offer something unique. Once you've nailed down your niche, it's time to create your product. Tools like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or even Canva are great for designing printables, templates, and other digital goods. Remember, quality is key, so take the time to make your products polished and professional. Next, set up your Etsy shop. Choose a name that reflects your brand, upload a logo, and fill out your shop's description with keywords that will help your product get found in search results. Then, upload your first digital product and set competitive pricing. Etsy is a search engine, so SEO is crucial to getting your product seen. Use keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and tags to make sure your items show up in search results. The more optimized your listings are, the more likely customers are to find you. And finally, it's time to promote your shop. Share your products on social media, use Pinterest to drive traffic, and consider offering discounts to attract your first customers. The more visibility you can generate, the faster your shop will grow. The income of an average Etsy seller who focuses on digital products can vary widely, but here's a breakdown. New or casual sellers typically earn $50 to $500 a month. This range reflects sellers who have just a few products listed and haven't yet built a large customer base. Part-time sellers, those who are more consistent and have a broader portfolio, might earn $500 to $2,000 per month. And established sellers who treat their Etsy shop as a full-time business can make $2,000 to $10,000 plus per month, though this requires a significant amount of effort in marketing, customer service, and product development. Here are some factors influencing earnings. Product pricing is one of them. Digital products often have a lower price point, which means sellers need to sell higher volumes to make substantial income. Then is the product type. Some digital products like planners, printables, or design templates may sell better than others due to higher demand. Marketing efforts. Sellers who invest in Etsy ads, social media promotion, and SEO tend to see higher sales. Then there's shop reviews and reputation. A well-reviewed shop with a solid reputation can command higher prices and see more repeat customers. Some of the challenges with Etsy are high competition. The digital product market on Etsy is saturated, making it challenging to stand out without a unique offering or strong marketing. There's also lower profit margins. While digital products don't incur shipping costs, the low pricing and high competition can make it difficult to generate significant revenue unless you have a high volume of sales. Etsy has a huge potential for growth. The biggest thing being scalability. One of the biggest advantages of selling digital products is that they're infinitely scalable with no additional cost per sale. This means that successful digital product sellers can see their income grow significantly over time as their customer base expands. In summary, while the average earnings from digital products on Etsy may be modest, the potential for growth is there, especially for sellers who can create in-demand products and effectively market their shops. And there you have it, a complete guide to selling digital products on Etsy in 2024. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or build a full-time passive income stream, Etsy offers an incredible platform for creatives to showcase their work and make money. Remember, The key is to create unique products that people love and promote your shop consistently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on future tips and strategies for online success. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and let me know which digital products you're thinking of selling on Etsy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.